Helo, enw fi ydy Hedydd a dwi'n wirfoddolwr efo Gig Buddies yng Ngwynedd. I'm here to tell you about 3 exciting new jobs we have with Gig Buddies Cymru in North Wales. 3 swydd yna da ni yn edrych amdan. Un cynta ydy Project Coordinator, so that's the first job, and this will be joining our 2 existing coordinators in North Wales. That's 22.5 hours a week. A wedyn, ail swydd ydy Project Support Coordinator. That's the second job, and who will cover project admin, comms, and help plan social event. That is 15 hours a week. A wedyn, y swydd ola ydy Project Ambassador. That's the third job, who will promote the project and assist Gig Buddies in planning their own social events, and this is a paid role for a person with learning disability and or autism, and that's 5 hours a week. Felly, ar gyfer fwy o bodaeth am hein I gyd yn cynnwys cyfloga ac mae'r bob un yn rola ac sut I wneud cais, ewch i'r wefan, sef the important website to go for all the details for these jobs is the Learning Disability Wales website at www.ldw.org.uk and click on the slide that says Gig Buddies North Wales is looking for 3 new people to join their team.